Well, hello YouTube, it's me, Caleb Schmaltz Vacuums, and I'm going to try to keep this as a quick video. Last time when I did a video of my Hoover Elite 200 versus my Elite 2640 Total Performance System, well, I wanted to show you that, remember back then I told you that one of them had a genuine bag and one didn't. Well, I changed that today. Both of them have the genuine Hoover Type A bag, and they both got genuine Hoover belts. As you can see, I spent $1.79 on them at Goodwill. But to show you here, I also did a clean up of the brush roll. This was actually a very clean vacuum under the hood, and this one had it before though, but here's the genuine Hoover bag. Then here's this one. Brush rolls cleaned, just didn't come as nice and clean. It's got a brand new belt, and this got a genuine Hoover bag in it too. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.